Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to all of our new subscribers. Thank you for supporting our little channel. Today we have for you the CREEPER-402 by Demonia in black leather. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Now let's get them out of the box. These creepers come with this little dust bag as well as the individual shoe bags. If you haven't done so already, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel to help support us to make more of these little unboxing videos. So you can see this shoe has that real classic creeper look with the interwoven pattern, the metal D-rings and round laces, and the thick 2-inch platform creeper sole. The sole also has the Demonia logo imprinted. Some creeper models have a hidden little secret box under the insole, but I will show you that in another video next time. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style. Do you like this classic creeper look? Or if there is a style you want to see unboxed next time, leave it in the comments. Now let's look at them both together. The sizing for this style is in men's USA sizes from 4 to 13, which converts to women's US 6 to 15 or European 36 to 45. The toes of these are fairly rounded. Here is a close-up of that interwoven detailing. And that's it today, the CREEPER-402 in black leather by Demonia. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching.